Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix hanging problem. So let's start in this Realme smartphone. So friends, if your display hangs too much or you are seeing your screen is taking too much long to respond, or applications are not fastly opening, or a phone lag sometimes, you have to go to the settings and then you have to click on the search bar and click on refresh rate. So if your refresh rate is 60 hertz, so you can click on this 144 hertz of smoother animation and operation. So higher refresh rate produces smoother picture but uses more battery power. Some apps can only support a refresh rate of 60 hertz. So friends, after you select just 144 hertz, you can see how display is working smooth. So this is how you can enable it. Or sometimes is an app that is taking too much long. If your app is the have high storage issue or anything, you have to uninstall that application. So it is consuming more battery and more processor, so it will heat your device also. So you have to uninstall that application, your file, your application, anything. Just restart your device at the end and it will be solved. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.